Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. It's December 22nd, 3 days before Christmas, and it is snow covered and it's 14 degrees. There's some tracks out there, mostly mimes, some deer tracks, maybe some birds and bunnies and fox. I don't know. I didn't go check. It's cold. But what am I doing here? Ugh, cooking these sausages in 14-degree weather. Holy crow, I must be nuts. And it's windy. Okay, I think I gotta get these off. I think I gotta get them off the flame. Alright, there's one. Let's see, that looks pretty good. Let's crack another one. See if it's done but juicy. And again, remember, they've already nuked all this stuff. Yeah. You don't have to go crazy. They're cooling off fast. All right.